Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up any photo to Snapchat. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Roll to Snapchat Memories. This is quick and easy to do, so let's begin. Go to the Snapchat Memories page and select your camera roll. Now, all you have to do is select the images you would like to back up and choose to hide them. This will add them to the My Eyes Only folder. Once they are in this folder, they will already be backed up to the Snapchat cloud. But if you select them again and then choose Unhide, they will then be displayed and backed up in the normal Snaps folder. And that is how you can back up any photos from your camera roll to Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.